just said that my subscribers went down to 299. 314 and 319 to 299. That is so much subscribers. Why did you guys unsubscribe to me? And to make you guys entertained, I will make some videos again because my sick is gone. And I have school now. I have school. It's my first time doing grade 4. And today I'm at my new house, and when I'm at my old house, but we sold it. So make sure to subscribe to my videos. Thank you, bye!